Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Wahidora Tunisha. I am from class PBI 6A. Today I would like to present my research proposal and academic scientific writing. The title of my research is Improving English Speaking Skills Through Picture Story Technique for Grade 10 Students of SMA Negeri 1 Berandan Barat. This research focused on the development of speaking skills in English among 10th grade students. Speaking is one of the most important productive skills in language learning because it reflects students' ability to communicate and express ideas. However, many students still struggle with this skill due to lack of vocabulary, low confidence, and limited speaking practice in class. To address this issue, my research proposes the use of the picture story technique, which utilizes a series of images to stimulate students' imagination, encourage storytelling, and enhance their fluency in speaking English. Based on preliminary observation conducted at SMA Negeri 1 Berandan Barat in April 2025, I found that more than 70% of students in grade 10 still have difficulty speaking English fluently. They often hesitate, pause frequently, and use limited vocabulary. In addition, the current teaching approach in the school focuses more on reading and writing skills, with minimal attention to speaking activities. As a result, students have limited opportunities to practice speaking actively in the classroom. The findings are in line with theory by Brown 2004 and Thornbury 2005, who state that speaking requires fluency, accuracy, and confidence, and should be trained through interactive, meaningful, and contextual learning method. Previous research findings. Several previous studies have confirmed the effectiveness of picture story in improving students' speaking abilities. For example, Fitriana 2018 found that picture stories increase students' activeness and confidence. 2. Sari 2019 concluded that sequential picture made it easier for students to organize stories and reduce their fear of speaking. 3. Juliana 2020 reported that picture story enhanced students' vocabulary, pronunciation, and sentence structure. Research gap and rationale. Based on those findings, there is still a research gap. None of the studies were conducted at SMA Negeri 1 Berandan Barat, and no research emphasizes the integration of picture story with intonation, gesture, and facial expression to enhance speaking fluency, which are crucial elements of natural communication. Therefore, this study aims to fill the gap by applying the picture story technique specifically in the school context and by analyzing not only the learning outcomes but also student participation, confidence, and speaking process. Research objectives. The objectives of this research are 1. To find out how the picture story technique improves the English speaking ability of grade 10 students. 2. To measure the students' improvement in fluency, vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. 3. To observe how this technique affects students' confidence in speaking English. 4. To identify students' difficulties before and after using the picture story technique. Significance of the study. This research is expected to provide valuable benefits. For students, it can improve their speaking ability, vocabulary, and confidence. For teachers, it offers an alternative and interactive teaching strategy. For future research, it serves as a reference to conduct further studies in similar areas. In conclusion, improving student English speaking skill requires interactive and student-centered methods. The picture story technique is expected to provide a fun and effective way for students to practice speaking English naturally and confidently. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.